Emberleigh Pauley-Brown, and I'm a first-year undergraduate student at Duke Kunshan University in China. First up, my dad. Say hi. He's gonna do some weird weighing of suitcases in his own way. Love him. Now, I'm really gonna miss North Carolina a lot, but I'm so excited for China, for meeting new people. I cannot wait. I have been loving China. I came a little bit early to explore. Campus is beautiful. There are plants and trees everywhere.
My first thought was, oh my God. But right after that, it was like, this is amazing.
And as a mom, I was like, are you kidding me? And then she started to tell me about it and to talk about it. And we all got really excited about it.
All of the people have been so happy and positive and welcoming, and it just feels perfect. So exciting.